Welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we shared 5 effective ways to build passive income for 2025. Today, we'll take it a step further. If you've ever wondered how AI can help you make money while you sleep, this video is for you. Let's explore the top AI tools creating passive income streams right now. 1. Print on demand with AI design tools. We'll explain how tools like Midjourney, Leonardo, and Canva AI can create designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more. These tools also automate your print-on-demand business. 2. AI content creation and automation. We'll discuss using AI writing and video tools to automate blogs and YouTube channels without showing your face. You can earn ad revenue or affiliate commissions this way. 3. AI trading and investing bots. We'll cover AI-powered investing apps and copy trading bots. We'll look at the benefits, risks, and potential for passive income. 4. AI for digital products. We'll show you how to use AI to create ebooks, templates, or online courses and sell them on marketplaces like Gumroad and Etsy. 5. AI-powered affiliate marketing. We'll explain how AI chatbots and websites can operate 24/7 to generate affiliate commissions automatically. You can briefly show screenshots or logos of these tools while talking. AI isn't just the future, it's the present. These tools can give you leverage and income streams that work while you sleep. In our last video about passive income for 2025, we looked at traditional ways to earn. Now, you've seen how AI enhances those methods. Subscribe for our next video, where we'll reveal the top side hustles of 2025 that anyone can start today.